5-minute guided meditation. Serenity amongst nature. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and allow the ambient music and the gentle chirping of birds to envelop you. Take a deep breath in, savoring the serene soundscape, and exhale any tension. As you settle in, let the music and bird calls anchor you in the present. With each breath, feel more aligned with the rhythm of nature. Inhale deeply, absorbing the tranquil energy around you. Exhale slowly, releasing thoughts like leaves carried away by a breeze. The harmonious bird songs guide your breath, bringing you deeper into relaxation. Visualize yourself in a lush forest, sunlight filtering through the canopy, birds flitting from tree to tree. Their melodies are a natural symphony. Celebrating the beauty of the moment, embrace the affirmation, I am part of this natural harmony. With every note of the birds, I find deeper peace and clarity. As the meditation draws to a close, take one more deep breath, filled with the essence of the forest. Gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and connected to the world around you. Stretch your limbs, carrying the tranquility of the bird's song with you, and step forward into your day with a renewed sense of calm. Thank you for joining this brief journey into nature's embrace. May the peace you found here stay with you like the enduring song of the birds. Please share this gift of meditation with someone you love. Namaste.